Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're going to compare two ways of swapping faces in images, the traditional Photoshop method versus the new version of Dzine's face swap. If you've ever tried swapping faces in Photoshop, you know it can be a tricky, time-consuming process. But with Dzine's new face swap, it's never been easier or faster. Let's dive into the details and see how they compare. First up, let's look at the traditional Photoshop method. When you upload your images, the first step is to manually cut out the face from the target image. This involves using tools like the pen tool or lasso tool to trace around the face and carefully isolate it from the background. Once you've done that, you need to adjust the size, position, and orientation of the face to match the original. This process can take a lot of time and requires precision. You'll need to adjust the color and skin tone of the new face, match the lighting, and often go back and forth making tiny tweaks. Not to mention, the edges need to be softened and blended to make the transition look natural. You'll likely have to use the feathering tool to create a smooth edge. And don't forget, the face might not always align perfectly the first time. It's a complex process that involves a lot of trial and error, and if you're a beginner, it can be quite overwhelming to get it just right. Now let's move on to the new Dzine face swap. With Dzine, it's incredibly simple. All you need to do is upload the original image and the face you want to swap in. Then just click Generate and let Dzine's AI take care of the rest. No more cutting out faces, no more adjustments to size or color. It's all done for you in a matter of seconds. The AI automatically recognizes the faces and seamlessly blends them into the new image. The result is a natural-looking swap with minimal effort. And what's even better is that the new version of Dzine comes with improved face recognition, making the swap even more accurate and realistic. The results are faster and more precise than the previous version, saving you time and hassle. Even stylized images can now be adapted to this version of face swap. For example, if you upload a realistic face and apply a painting style, such as oil painting, the face swap can seamlessly adapt to the original style and still maintain the visual consistency. Images with complex lighting environments now also support face swap. In this case, the light source is positioned at the lower right of the face, and even after performing face swap, the lighting conditions are successfully replicated. After performing face swap, you can further enhance the image clarity using the Enhance feature. Select the Portrait category under Enhance Type, and this will allow you to improve the image's sharpness while keeping the face unchanged. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and accurate face swap, Dzine's new version is the way to go. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants professional results without spending hours in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you tried Dzine's face swap? How does it compare to Photoshop? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.